Have you ever wondered what it would be like to stay aboard one of the world's most anticipated cruise ships? While most people focus on the attractions, dining, and entertainment, your accommodation can have a huge impact on your overall experience. That's exactly why the accommodations on Legend of the Seas are generating so much excitement. From affordable interior cabins to some of the most luxurious suites ever built at sea, Royal Caribbean has created options for every type of traveler. In this video, we'll explore every major accommodation category on board and discover which cabins offer the best value, comfort, and unforgettable ocean views. Let's begin with the most affordable option on board, the interior stateroom. These cabins may not have ocean views or private balconies, but they remain one of the smartest choices for budget-conscious travelers. Royal Caribbean has refined the layout to maximize every inch of available space. Storage solutions are cleverly integrated throughout the room, helping guests keep luggage and personal belongings organized. The beds can typically be configured as either one king-size bed or two twin beds, allowing flexibility for different travelers. For many guests, an interior cabin simply becomes a comfortable place to sleep after spending the day exploring the ship, enjoying entertainment, or relaxing on deck. And because these rooms often cost significantly less than balcony accommodations, they can free up vacation budgets for excursions, specialty dining, or other experiences. Moving up the accommodation ladder brings us to Ocean View and Panoramic Ocean View cabins. These rooms provide one of the most valuable upgrades available on the ship: natural light. Traditional ocean view cabins feature large windows that allow guests to enjoy changing ocean scenery throughout the voyage. However, the real standout is the panoramic ocean view category. These accommodations feature expansive floor-to-ceiling windows that create a dramatic connection with the sea. Instead of looking at a small, framed view, guests are surrounded by wide ocean vistas that make the cabin feel larger and more open. Many experienced cruisers consider these cabins one of the ship's hidden gems because they deliver spectacular views without the higher cost associated with balcony rooms. Of course, balconies remain among the most popular accommodations in cruising, and Legend of the Seas introduces Royal Caribbean's innovative Infinite Ocean View Balcony concept. At first glance, these rooms may look similar to traditional balcony cabins, but the design works very differently. Instead of a separate outdoor balcony space, the window area transforms into an indoor-outdoor environment. This creates additional usable living space while still allowing guests to enjoy fresh air and ocean views. The result is a cabin that feels larger and more flexible than conventional balcony accommodations. For travelers who enjoy spending quiet mornings watching the sunrise or relaxing with an ocean view after a busy day on board, these cabins offer an attractive combination of comfort and practicality. Families often face a unique challenge when booking cruise accommodations because standard cabins can quickly feel crowded. That's where the family-focused accommodations on Legend of the Seas become especially important. Family Infinite Ocean View balcony rooms provide additional space, smarter layouts, and features specifically designed for larger groups. Separate sleeping areas help create privacy between parents and children, while enhanced storage solutions reduce clutter during longer voyages. Some configurations also include split bathroom designs, allowing multiple family members to get ready at the same time. These thoughtful details may seem small, but they can dramatically improve daily life on board and help families enjoy a smoother vacation experience. Now we enter the premium end of the accommodation spectrum, the suite neighborhood. Royal Caribbean's suite program goes far beyond simply providing larger rooms. Suite guests gain exclusive benefits and private spaces that create a distinctly different onboard experience. Depending on the suite category, guests may receive priority boarding, concierge assistance, access to coastal kitchen dining, and entry to exclusive sun decks reserved for suite passengers. These perks reduce waiting times, provide more personalized service, and offer quieter environments away from the busiest areas of the ship. For travelers who value convenience and exclusivity, the suite experience can feel almost like a ship within a ship. Among these premium accommodations, several stand out for their exceptional design and views. The sunset suites are especially desirable because of their location at the aft of the ship. These rooms provide spectacular wake views that many cruisers consider the most beautiful perspective at sea. Sunset corner suites take things even further with wraparound balconies that offer multiple viewing angles and expansive outdoor living space. Then there is the owner suite, which combines spacious living areas, separate sleeping quarters, and upscale finishes that create a residential atmosphere rather than a traditional cruise cabin. For many luxury travelers, however, the ultimate family townhouse represents the ultimate balance of innovation and elegance. Its two-story layout, dramatic floor-to-ceiling windows, and loft-style design create one of the most visually impressive accommodations anywhere in the cruise industry. Yet, even these remarkable suites are overshadowed by one accommodation that exists in a category of its own: the ultimate family townhouse. This extraordinary residence spans 3 levels and completely redefines what a cruise ship accommodation can be. Instead of feeling like a cabin, it feels more like a private luxury home at sea. The townhouse includes dedicated entertainment spaces, expansive living areas, multiple sleeping zones, and features specifically designed for families traveling together. Every aspect of the design focuses on creating unforgettable memories while maintaining privacy and comfort. It's the kind of accommodation that generates headlines, attracts attention across social media, and becomes a destination in itself. So, after exploring every major accommodation category on board Legend of the Seas, which option offers the best value? For budget travelers, the interior stateroom remains difficult to beat. For guests seeking natural light without a balcony price tag, the Panoramic Ocean View cabins may be the smartest choice. Infinite Ocean View balcony rooms deliver a unique modern experience, while family accommodations provide practical solutions for larger groups. Luxury travelers will find exceptional options throughout the suite neighborhood, and for those seeking the absolute ultimate experience, the ultimate family townhouse stands alone. What makes Legend of the Seas so fascinating is that it doesn't offer just one type of cruise vacation. Instead, it offers multiple experiences depending on the accommodation you choose. And that's what makes this ship one of the most exciting additions to the cruise industry. The question is, if you had the opportunity to sail aboard Legend of the Seas, which accommodation would you choose? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more cruise ship deep dives, detailed ship tours, and the latest cruise industry updates.